Karen Haycon. I teach A-Level Sociology and also BTEC Applied Criminology. You'll be required to attend college 3 days a week for criminology. Each lesson will be an hour and a half long. On top of that, there is an expectation that you will do at least another hour on top of those lessons, and sometimes far more than that, in order to supplement your notes, read through the notes of what's happened in that particular lesson, and be ready to fire questions at me when you come back the next time. Sociology A-Level, we use the APQA spec, so we're going to be covering subjects such as families and households, education, crime and deviance, and the media. All things you are submerged in sociology every day of your lives. This will enable you to critique it, to understand it better, and to engage, hopefully, in society in a different way than before. Sociology A-Level is assessed by 3 two-hour exams at the end of the 2 years. You'll have topics in sociology, which is families and households and the media, and then education with theory and methods, and crime and deviance with theory and methods. With Sociology A-Level or post-study, you can obviously go to university. You may end up doing a social worker, primary school teacher, or like myself, who went to university and did a sociology degree, and then qualified as a solicitor, and then qualified as a teacher. It gives you a range of options open to you, so you can change throughout your life what your role may be. You will be expected to have at least a level 4 in English and maths, and preferably level 5 in English, because it is a literary subject and there will be a certain amount of writing involved. If you wish to apply for our Sociology A-Level, please go to our website, where all the information you require is there for you to make that application.